What's up to my AC gang ladies? And yes, I say ladies because guess what? This video is for you. As you can see by the title, I'll be sharing some tips on how to prevent yourself from getting cheated on. But guys, I'm going to be using the Jamaican terms right now. How to prevent yourself from getting B-U-N, bun. Alright guys, so number one, you have to have the glue/gum. For real? Spice sing the song about gum. I have glue and I have gum. Not that glue/gum. Not this one. If you don't have the glue/gum goods, you're getting burned. Abby! I'm getting burned! Oh God. Number two, you have to ensure that you're not boring in bed. What you? Because if you're not flexible nor fun, my friend, you're getting burned. I don't you sing the song.
No boring girl, boring girl. No man no one, no boring girl.
Ah! You can't go no more time.
Yeah, hold on, man. It's a lazy.
Ah! But you can't hurt me.
You're boring.
Abby! Yeah, good. Me I get burned. Poor thing, man. Number three, ladies, you have to can wash, cook, and clean. If you can't wash, if you can't cook, and if you can't clean, yeah, you're getting burned. But guess what? 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 I have the glue/gum. I'm flexible and fun. I can wash, cook, and clean, and I'm still getting burned. I lie. Yeah. You guys don't believe me? Oh, no, not believe me? Alright, come here.
Babes.
Watch ya. In my own house.
It's not what you think.
Now, ladies, bear in mind, not all men give bone. But you see man like him, dirty junk of them. Pass my bag for my goods.
Don't give her.
Thanks. Them dead. Them dead. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, comment and share. Stop take bun from man.